Going to love the 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, front-wheel drive. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.